Hello friends, today we will learn reasoning and today's topic is finding the missing number, and this video is divided into two parts. So let us start it. Starting from first problem, that is, we have to find out the missing number. In those reasoning problem, we first looking for the blank value. Blank value means this value, and we have to put the value. So at first we have to check the biggest number. We have to check the biggest number is appearing from here 56, and next is 60. So our aim, how 56 can be found by these two numbers. So it is clear by multiplying 7 and 8. 7 and 8 equal to 56, and similarly for the second case, 12 into 5 equal to 16. So as usual, we can do the same operation for this. Means 11 into 3, 11 into 3, so 33. So 33 will be here. Clear? And for the next case, what is the maximum number? Here is middle. Here is middle. So for this case, in this case, we just calculating some operation, mathematical operation for these three values, and similarly the rest. Okay. So now multiplying those three values, 5 into 3 into 10 equal to 150, and similarly for this column, 5 into 6 into 5 means 150. So this column value is equal to this column value. So how I can get this 150? What will be the value? 15 into 2 into 5. So 5 will be here. Clear? Next, the maximum value is maximum value is 45 and 95. So 9 into 6 equal to no. 9 plus 6 equal to not possible. So in this case, what do we do? 9 square equal to 81, 6 square equal to 36. Here means the square value of this minus square value of this equal to the value. Similarly, we will apply the same rules. Means 12 square minus 7 square. means minus 49. So equal to 95. For this case, 8 square minus 3 square means 64 minus 9. $55. So 55 will be here. Is it clear? So friends, those who have not subscribed my channel yet, subscribe for more exciting videos. And we will go to our next problem. Moving to our next example. What is here? Here is operation this way, because it is the biggest number. So how we can get 51 by, we just first multiplying these two values, means 6 into 8 and add the base value equal to 51. Similarly, 15 into 4 plus 5 means 65. So what will be the value for this question marks? The value will be 20 into 5 plus 20 means 120. So the value for this equal to 120. Is it clear? Just multiplying those value plus add with this value, and this will be our result. And what will be the answer for this figure? And it is something difference with other. So here is 5, 10, and we have to find out this value for this question marks. So it is clear that 5 is equal to 2 square plus 1, and 10 is equal to 3 square plus 1. Similarly, 50 equal to 7 square plus 1, and it is equal to 11 square plus 1. So it is clear that it is starting from 2, 3 and 11, 7. For these types of questions, you have to look at the options. Okay, what is the option? Is the option given there? And I know what will be the answer. Answer will be 5 square plus 1. So 26 will be the value for this question marks. And how on the other way for getting this number, because 3 cannot be divided by any one. It is prime number. So all the values are prime. So it will be the prime value. It will be the prime value starting from 2, 3 and 4. 4 is not prime. Then 5 is the prime number, prime value. So it will be 5. Then 7 and 11 going on. Is it clear? Okay. We are going to our next problem. Going to our next problem. Problem is 5, 4, 2, 18, and we all know calculation is these directions, and we have to find out the value for this. So 18, 27 and 96. How we can get those values? We know by multiplying 5 into 4. By multiplying 5 into 4 means 20. 20 minus 2 equal to 18. Clear? And similarly, 6 into 3, 18. 6 into 3, 18. 18 minus 3? No. We cannot get this value. So, another tricks will be applicable for the questions. That is 5 plus 4. Adding this value, 5 plus 4 equal to 9, and it is 18. Then 18 by 9 equal to 2. Getting. And same thing, 6 plus 3 equal to 6 plus 3 equal to 9. And then 27 by 9 equal to 3. So for this case, 12 plus 4 equal to 12 plus 4 equal to 16. And now 96 by 16 equal to 6. So 6 will be the value for this blank. Okay, and I hope it is clear to you. And here, for this types of figure, our aim is to check how we can get this value, means the highest value 5, and it is 126. So 5 cube equal to 125 plus 1. As similar, 6 cube (216) plus 1 means 217. 217 will be the answer for this value. Means just cubing this value. 5 cube equal to 125 plus 1, and it will be 6 cube plus 1. It is too much interesting. So continuing. And here, clearly 28 divided by 7, 28 divided by 7 equal to 28 divided by 7 equal to 4. 4 into 5. It is one of the complicated questions, but it is very easy. 4 into 5 equal to 20. So getting this value, and similarly 84 for this. 84 by 12, 7, and 7 multiplying by 5, 35, and similarly 45 divided by 9, 45 divided by 9, 5 into 5 will be 25. So will be 25. What do we do? We just divide this value by this, and the getting result, multiplying the getting result with 5. 5 is common for all. 5 is common for all. all. So it is for today's, and we will continue in our next part in another videos. So let's continue and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.